Hello and welcome to our fun English learning YouTube channel. In this video, we will be practicing how to order food in a restaurant. My name is Sarah and I will be your teacher for this lesson. Let's get started. Meet Rachel. Rachel is a tourist in a new city and wants to order food at a restaurant, but she doesn't know how to do it in English. Hi Sarah, thanks for teaching me how to order food at a restaurant. Hi Rachel, no problem. Can you tell me what kind of restaurant you're in? Yes, I'm in an Italian restaurant. Okay, let's start with some basic vocabulary. What would you like to order? I want to eat spaghetti with meat. Great. When the waiter comes to take your order, you can say, I would like to have the spaghetti with meatballs, please. Okay, got it. If you want to ask the waiter for a recommendation, you can say, what do you recommend? Okay, I'll try that. Now, let's practice some useful phrases for when the waiter brings your food. You can say, this looks delicious, thank you. Okay, this looks delicious, thank you. And if you need something else, you can say, excuse me, can I have some more water, please? Excuse me, can I have some more water, please? Great job, Rachel. You're doing great. Thank you, Sarah. I'm feeling more confident now. Just keep practicing, and you'll be a pro in no time. That's it for today's lesson. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more English learning videos. See you next time.